Welcome to part 2 of our double-digit addition with regrouping lesson. If you haven't watched part 1 in the assignment, go back and watch the lesson and then come back and you can see what our task is. So when you open the slides, you might see on the right-hand side that your themes bar is open. You want to go ahead and close that so you have more space on your slides. When we look at our question, we see that the chart is exactly the same as the chart in the lessons. We want to look at the question. Our question is 27 plus 45. So I have added 2 tens in the tens column and 7 ones in the ones column. I've added 4 tens in the tens column and 5 ones in the ones column. I've color-coded the numbers for you to make it a little bit easier. I've already added the 10 blocks, so you don't need to worry about moving those. So my first job is to look at the ones column. Is one of my 10 frames full? That's right. If a 10 frame is full, we know that there are 10 ones. If we have 10 ones, we can make things easier and regroup those into a 10 block. So I'm going to drag this shape over to show that I'm going to regroup those ones. Once I do that, I'm going to go all the way to the other side. I'm going to click and hold a 10 block and add it to my tens column. As soon as I do that, I'm going to go up above the tens column, click on the text box, and I'm going to write the number 1 to show that we added one more 10 block. Remember, whatever we do in pictures needs to be translated in numbers. And when we write the number 1, we're showing that there's one more 10 block. Okay? So now I can go and I can figure out what my answer is by looking at the pictures. So I am going to move my arrow, click on the text box, and I'm going to count how many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So I'm going to write the number 7. And how many ones? 1, 2 ones. So I'm going to write the number 2. So I have moved my symbol to show that I am regrouping the ones. I have added another 10, and I have shown that 10 in numbers over the tens column. Let's try another one. 32 plus 39. The ones column. A 10 frame is full. We move the shape. Now we need to show that we're regrouping those ones into a 10. Now we need to show that that 10 is added to our numbers. Now we need to find our answer. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens and 1 1. If you have any questions, please let me know.